What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to give away free drum loops that you can use to make trap beats. I made this drum to be trap because I'm always making trap beats, so these drums are free. The link download is available on my Telegram. You can find it in the description and the comment section, and make sure you go to stream my music. Is available on Spotify, Apple Music, Deezer, YouTube Music, everywhere. And another thing, thank you for coming to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you know what to do. You gotta like my videos and yeah, comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. And another thing, yes, I promised that I will drop a drum loop and melody loop, so I started with the drums. So I'm gonna work on melody loops for now, and feel free to download and go and make beats and send me the um projects if you don't mind. Thank you. um Basically, the drum loops, trap drum loops that I'm going to give you all today is all about uh basic things like normal hi-hats, claps, snares, and the kicks. It's good for trap music. And don't be fooled. Another point that I missed out is that all these drums, all of them, five of them, they are mastered. So there's no need for you to master when you add them on your next melody project or beat that you'll be working on. So you know. So right now, allow me to add a melody loop and see how it will sound. The only thing that you will need to do, if the melody is not on the BPM, you need to adjust the BPM of the melody loop by synchronization. But I think this one is on 160 BPM. I'll try to find the melody loop that is 160 BPM so that it will match with the drums. And you should listen how it will sound. It's a bang, trust me. Yeah, so now tell me, like, what's harder than the drums made by nicolasmadeit? Come on, man, stop playing with me, bruh. These drums are free, go get them. So now let me change the drums, add the different drums, and see how it will sound. Simple as that. And another thing, these drums are having different BPMs, so